song. It's heartbreaking to tell it, but I will not keep you long. On the 14th day of October, as we quite understand, the Caribou was torpedoed near the shores of Newfoundland. It happened in the morning before the break of day. The Caribou and her passengers were taken in dismay, without a word of warning to any of her crew. A deadly weapon pierced the side of the SS Caribou. Some swam for boats and rafts or whatever they could find, while others had to stay out in the cold and chilly brine. They tried to help each other like all of us would do, as they watched the last remains of the SS Caribou. That morning here in Newfoundland was one we'll never forget. To see those stricken mothers and orphans cry and fret, to see those widows and sweethearts crying what will we do, mourning the loss of loved ones gone down on the Caribou. Among the bodies brought to land, I can't name everyone, but sadly I will mention Captain Tabner and his son. In the evening they were brought in as soon as they were found. We extend their mother our sympathy from everyone around. Now to conclude my sad, sad song, I've done my very best. We'll leave the SS Caribou on the bottom to lay rest, and to the good old railway we all must bid adieu, and think about that awful night and the SS Caribou, and think about that awful night and the SS Caribou.